Y'all, this is a first. First of all, I renamed him, but Cosmo, who used to be Snowball, is down here all by himself. Woo! I can't believe it. He figured it out. I don't think even all the girls are not up yet. I think that might have something to do with it. Let me go around here. There you go. Kind of letting everybody check each other out. But that is amazing. I didn't think his dumb ass was ever going to learn. It's like just a little left, almost 7 o'clock. I think most of my girls are still in bed. Hey ladies, how's it going? Anybody give me eggs? Boop, 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 boop. I think she's a frizzle, but if somebody knows different, let me know. Because if she's a frazzle, I don't want to breed her. But I just thought I would do that early today. Could not believe he finally, after a week, 2 weeks, made it down on his own. Must have something to do with that boy over there. And he's still asleep too. You got food, you got water.